Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. In a record-breaking cyber attack, the largest ever DDoS incident has recently been foiled. DDoS attacks, that's distributed denial of service, flood your network with online requests, causing your systems to collapse under the weight of traffic. At its peak, this huge attack exceeded 71 million requests for data every second. The size and sophistication of attacks has been rising all the time, and they're becoming more common. So it's worrying that many small businesses don't have security in place that would cope with an attack of this kind. Check with your IT professional that your systems and firewalls are up to the task. If you need to talk about your cybersecurity with a local expert, get in touch. We do this every day. That's your tech update. More next week.